Christina. I'm the Director of Logistics for the robotic sailing event. So we're here at Kingston Yacht Club, and this year Queens is hosting the International Robotic Sailing Regatta, which is an event where we have teams from around the world who are competing with robotic sailboats that they all built, and they race in like 7 events, some using remote control, some using fully autonomous sailing. We had a group of 4 directors for the event, but we also have 8 teams that are here for the whole week who all have large teams, or like teams ranging from about 5 people to some teams that have about 40 people, and it takes a lot of people to like work on the boat, and they have a lot of different divisions, so there's different aspects from mechanical teams to electrical teams and software teams, and it takes a lot of people to build one boat that they can race for the week. Queens' team is called QMAS, which is the Queens Mostly Autonomous Sailboat Team, and I think it's a big deal for them to have this event because it brings a lot of different people to the university, and they get to see our facilities, and we get to see the innovativeness of other schools around us, so we can kind of see where we're at with our boats and see where other people are at, which is very interesting.
My name is Annie Hollis, and I started on the QMAS team last year, part of the elect team. My experience with QMAS has been a really nice chance to practice some of the skills that you don't necessarily learn in the class. It's a really neat way to get out of the lecture hall and see what you can do with the skills that you learn through your degree. Some of the things that I've worked on is putting together the physical components of the electrical box. I've done a little bit of work with the schematics, so taking it from last year and bringing it into something that's more relevant to the boat this year. So it's been a cool way to see the ways that the physical boat changes and how you need to change the internal components so that it can fit the next year's challenges. Some of the challenges to the actual competition are races for the boat, just like going to a target and back. Some of them are for target detection. So there's been some work with the computer vision team. That's mostly software, but we've done some of the components that feed into the software that they're sending us, and being able to read what the sensors are intaking and turn that into something that the boat can use for navigation.